Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to officially unlock access to the highly secretive Legend Island expansion map in Forza Horizon 6. This massive hidden landmass contains the game's ultimate endgame content and cannot be accessed simply by driving your car across the main bridges or coastline. Instead, your first mandatory task is to fully complete the primary story campaign until you successfully reach Global Festival Driver Level 150. The absolute moment your profile hits this major milestone, a massive golden expedition icon titled The Voyage will instantly materialize on the far southeastern edge of your main map screen. Hop into your absolute fastest hypercar and drive directly to this newly unlocked shoreline location to trigger an intense cinematic introduction race against a fleet of offshore speedboats. You will be tasked with piloting a heavy-duty off-road trophy truck straight through a fierce tropical storm across a narrow sandbar, and you must cross the final finish line under the 3-minute mark. Successfully completing this high-stakes time trial event will officially establish the brand new Legend Island outpost, unlocking the ferry terminal system so you can freely travel back and forth between the mainland and the new island to tackle the rarest race championships in the game. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.